Okay guys, so here you can see we have cigarette packets and they're all around here.
Should I go go around and check the place and look?
Okay, so Joseph's gonna scout the perimeter. He's gonna check if there's more rubbish. Let's hit it in the fast forward and me cleaning this area. Okay guys, so here you can see there's more plastic. Walk around here. There's receipts, plastic bags, caps. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, way cleaner. Of course, I'm not cleaning up any of this natural debris. That's because this can biodegrade by itself, whereas all of this plastic can. And if I was to put all of this inside one bag, it's taking up space at the garbage dump that could have been used for plastic. With this, really can biodegrade and help nature even more by enriching the soil. So that's why you might see bamboo, leaves, and wood around. You can see it's significantly cleaner. Bag getting heavier though. I at least collected 15 pieces of plastic here. So yeah, let's move on. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Hopefully we'll be doing more trash picking up videos so that we can help the environment even more. This video I've actually enjoyed a lot. I'll be making more parts to this, so leave a like, and I'll see you very, very soon on the next video. But until then, peace out.